Hi friends, today I've brought a new medication for you, which is Envepe. Envepe is the prescription medication specifically indicated for the treatment of nausea and vomiting of pregnancy. It provides the anti-nauseant and anti-vomiting action of two different ingredients, doxylamine succinate, and antihistamine, and pyridoxine hydrochloride, vitamin B6. Envepe is safe for baby of pregnant woman. The price of this box is 170 rupees and it has 30 tablets in it. It's made by Maple Pharma, and this medication is very good for the women who frequently go to the washrooms to vomit during pregnancy. And I have successfully used it in my practice and found out that it is suitable for pregnant women, and it has a multivitamin pyridoxine HCl, which also helps, and it's a suitable medication. The adult dose of this medication is 2 tablets at bedtime. In severe cases or in cases with nausea and vomiting during the day, dosage may be increased by 1 tablet in the morning or afternoon. Take on empty stomach with a glass of water. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.